Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well at your house. I'm doing fine at my house, and I thought I can read you a book so you have something else to do than just playing on the computer and stuff. Okay, I'm reading the book The Fleas from Lynn Downey, and I will show you the pictures first and then read what is on the pages, okay? So, The Fleas sneeze. On a dark, dark night on an old farm in a rickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A cat, a rat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the cat, or the rat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse, or used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his gravel plea. Does everybody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, ha-choo! It scared the cat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed mew. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned black and blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woof woof, and sprayed the hawk, who screamed wee, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark night on the old farm, in the rickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathery fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his gravel wheeze. I think I be gotta sneeze. Pew. So remember, if you have to sneeze, to put your elbow in front of you and sneeze. It's the same thing with a cough. I hope nobody will get that. But in case, just make sure that you're safe and keep others safe too. I hope you enjoyed this, and I wish you a good time at home. Do all your work, and I hope we see us soon.